One of the first things you can do as soon as you get your Galaxy S22 Ultra is to rename your phone. Now, these instructions can also be used to rename the Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus, the standard flagships. So to rename your phone, simply go to Settings, and then under Settings, go to About Phone. You want to scroll to the bottom of the page for that. And then on the About Phone page, you should see the Galaxy S22 Ultra is a default name of your phone. Now, if you're a couple of people in the house who all have the same phone, you might get confused as to whose phone you're connecting to. So you might want to rename your own phone. Now, for me, I just like to add my own name to the prefix of the phone name. Just like that. And once you're happy with your new phone name, simply tap on done. And as you can see, the phone name has now been changed. And that's basically how to rename your Samsung Galaxy S22, S22 Plus, and S22 Ultra. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.